Let's take a look at the amazing CloudFuse K-Lens for deep data insight. From the APM menu, click on Trace Heat Map. And the Trace Heat Map itself is quite awesome. Heat maps give me a density of data, but often we wonder what's going on with that. What's different about these specific values versus the ones that are dark? So K-Lens gives us the ability to draw a box around something that we find interesting and then analyze it in seconds. K-Lens is going to give you a view of how fields and values are different between the selection, the brown area, and the baseline, which is every other event in the query. And very quickly we see a few things. Sometimes I kind of call this cheat mode for observability because we not only understand maybe anomalies in our data or things that are different, but also we understand the significance of a field. If you didn't know what it was for, if you didn't know what was interesting, K-Lens gives you that right away. And it orders the fields and facets by how different they are. Farther down, we should see values that are quite similar to others, and farther up, we see ones that are different, obviously. We could also use this for two other really great things. First, we could filter or use any of these in query, which is really powerful. So let's click on filter and we'll get another heat map. Now I see a small subset of values here which are higher. We're going to draw that same box again, but this time we're going to click on view spans. And that's going to take us right to the traces page where we can go and examine any of the traces, any of the spans. Very quickly, we get the pop out from the side where we can go into any level as far as metrics at the service, at the endpoint, looking at logs associated with it, viewing the traces in a span list, a waterfall, or any other way we'd like to use them to further query. And remember, when you want to get some great insight into your data, pop up a heat map, filter it in some way, draw a box with K-Lens, and do a quick analysis to really understand what's going on and to take that next step into your dive into observability.